Welcome back everyone. Today I will show you how to go from this mess to something more pleasing like this. I'm changing speakers and amps very frequently, so I need a solution to quickly change my setup. I decided to put banana plugs in my setup. I will show you how to upgrade your wires. First, we need some banana plugs. I am using a B-wire setup, so I need a lot of them. And also heat shrink tubes for labeling. I'll have to remove my cable. I can do it by unscrewing it from the speakers. And on the other end as well. Disconnect it from the amp. And then we will be able to start working on the upgrade. I suggest you use a cutting board for safety reasons. I have to cut away the old labeling. I use the tape to distinguish positive from negative. After I'm done with it, I have to roll up the wire so I can apply the heat shrink tube. Put it over the wire. If needed, you can use pliers to flatten the wire. After that, you need to unscrew the banana plug. Put the screw end on the wire. If the wire is too thick, you can just cut away a small portion of it. Roll off the wire and cut it. Then roll it up again. And it should fit the plug's hole. If you need more wire at the end of the plug, just cut away the isolation from the wire. Remove the cut part from the wire. I suggest you to cut away the isolation, so there would be about 4 to 5 millimeters of bare wire left at the end of it. You need to fold the end of the wire so it creates a small corner. It needs to be done for the plug to hold onto the wire. This way, the wire will be squeezed between the screw threads and will hold tight. After screwing in the wire, pull on it to check if it holds in place. The same procedure is for the other polarity of the cable. Cut away the excess isolation, put on the heat shrink tube label, cut away any extra wire if needed, and screw in the plug so the wire is held in place. And here it is. Here is one cable on both ends. If you are using B-wire setup as I am, then you need to repeat this procedure 4 times to get 4 identical wires. Now the fun part, cooking. You need to heat up the wire so the heat shrink tube holds in place securely. I'm using a gas stove, but the heat could come from a different source as well. Move the wire continuously and don't overheat it. Here you can see the finished wire. Notice the tight fit of the labeling It is holding very tight on the wire and does not move. I can now plug and remove the wire in a few seconds. I save time and it even looks better. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you will try it, do it yourselves. Like the video if it was helpful and consider subscribing, it helps a lot. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.